two, oops. Whose honey are you? Whose tea do you sweeten? Whose sugar and spice and everything nice depend upon you? Whose honey are you? Whose dream you completing? Who goes for those eyes like sugar plum pies? Whose honey are you? You got a tiny little touch of heaven in your fingertips. You've got all the rest of heaven on your sugar-coated lips. Who's gonna get you some Sunday come meeting? Whose little heart leaps and wants you for keeps? Whose honey are you? Who's making those dates and kisses and rates the loving you do? Whose honey are you? Who made the selection? Whose beautiful schemes and honeymoon dreams are gonna come true? Please tell me, have you really made your mind up who it's gonna be? Don't you think before we wind up we're terrific, you and me? Whose honey are you? Who's gonna raise kids?